guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY potato chip, microwave DIY potato chips. All you need is a potato, your salt and pepper or whatever you want to use on your potato chips. Mine is salt and maple ginger. It's really good. Olive oil and a potato. So first you want to skin it. I don't know what you call that. You want to... Mom, what's it called whenever you like skin a potato? Peel. First you want to peel the potato. And then you want to pick up all the disgusting potato skins and go, Doggo! Dog! Come here! There. And I'm back. Okay, so after you do that, you want to slice it up into tiny pieces. But I'm not going to do that. It's way easier with a food processor, I think. Yeah, Ma. Is this a food processor? Yes. Yes. Okay, I was right. I just got to make sure. So you want to get it on the edge that works.
Put it on the side it's supposed to be on. Yes, that's the slicing side.
Okay. Oh, you do the part that makes it electric. And you want to get your mom for that. If you're me. She's too curly to reach it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She may be in the half of this YouTube video, so don't mind her. She's just helping me and making sure that I'm not going to die. So now we have to figure out how to put this thing on. Oh, I probably want to move this.
Do you need help?
Probably. I don't know if it works. Why did I turn it on?
It won't come on unless all of the parts are where they're supposed to be. It's safety. There's a little switch there that this catches, so it won't turn on until this is on there properly. Now it'll turn on.
Now I have to put that in there. Oh wait, no, I don't need to do anything. Okay. And then I've never tried this. Ta-da! First time doing that. Okay. So safety first. Parent for what is it called whenever you have a parent helping you?
Parental supervision
advised. Yeah. Because just like Colin Keys says, I don't want to get sued. Oh wow, this plate got really cold really quickly.
Oh, don't use that plate. That plate is really, really hot. It's a different plate.
The same plate practically, but my same plate.
Well, then we don't have to dirty up another dish. Wait, no, that one's already got a couple of chips fried to it. Let's get a different one.
Yeah, this is what it turns out like. Here, how are potatoes?
Yeah, remember this time parchment paper. Here. I'm going to show you how to properly use parchment paper.
This is how you properly use the parchment paper.
See that right there?
Uh-huh.
It cuts that. So all you have to do is close the box and pull.
Oh! My voice is so messed up. Okay. Back to this part. I really like this when it doesn't have paper towels on it. It's really nice. Okay, so use the potatoes. Put it on the plate evenly.
Right, you need to put oil on them.
Oh crap, guys.
Here's our
The bowl.
And you could probably go ahead and put the seasoning on while you do that. Oops.
This part came out. So, yeah. I used a tiny potato for that.
Now Now you're going to want to make sure that these slices come apart whenever you're oiling it.
Uh-huh. I watched the video, but she knows more about it than me.
Well, it's just basic cooking knowledge.
So my last potato batch, it turned out like this. Because I put it in there too long. So
This time, step stool and pay it attention.
Okay, then you want to put the seasoning on it. You don't have to. You put it on the plate with it, but I'm going to make sure that I'm going to put seasoning twice. Most likely. This sounds good, Mom.
You're going to tell them what kind of seasoning it is?
I already done that. I did that as soon as I told them what ingredients you get. But this, if you want to know again, it's maple ginger. Told you. It's very hard to get out of this. This is the first YouTube video my mom's been in, so. That looks like enough. And then you want to put a little bit of salt. You don't have to, but then put a tiny bit of salt and mix it. The mixing part's really no reason to mix it, but I want to make sure that they get it all around. And then you want to lay it on the plate evenly so that they all evenly cook. So that you don't have one that's completely cooked, one potato chip that's completely cooked, and the rest be all non-cooked. Like, you don't want to stack it up on it like this. Oh, I probably, there we go. So, shh. That worked. Mom, I told the dishwasher to be quiet and it turned off. If I can remember what YouTube channel I got this from, I will link it in the description. But otherwise, you'll have to kind of go with how to microwave potato chips, how to make microwave potato chips. It should pop up. Okay. Now that we've done that part, this is what it looks like. We're going to step up on our step stool. Holy moly, I'm tall. Get in our microwave. And you want to just stick it in your microwave. And this time, I'm going to put these in for only 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So I just have to press 4, and once it hits to like 2, I'll check on it, and then once it hits to 1, I'll check on it, and then otherwise, we can just clean up the rest of this. Oh, that's very terrible lighting and stuff. Okay, so over here again, because this is really good lighting actually. So we're gonna clean up our bowl and the rest of these dishes because we're just gonna rinse them, and yeah. Why did everything else? Oh, so it's only when it's all the lighting's focused on me and not on the back. That's awesome. So now that we do that, we're just gonna, after we rinse out all the bowls and stuff, you can stick it in your dishwasher if your dishwasher's not going. But otherwise, I'm just gonna rinse them out and yeah. Hot water. I'm just spraying out the bowls and stuff, making sure that everything is nice and rinsed off so that we can stick it in the dishwasher after we unload it. give myself the best sprayer. Oh, shoot. Alright, sorry guys. I had to check on the things because I noticed that they were at 1 minute. So I was like, wow. Like, it was like 1 minute and 30 seconds. And now that we've gotten that done, we can finish the rest of the house, I guess. Not really the rest of the house, just the rest of the kitchen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up all the seasonings and stuff, and I'm going to put them in the, where they go. Oh, forgot about this part. Yeah. These potato chips turn out really good. Honestly, if I had to give a review why they're so good, is because the these seasoning cooks them really well, and then it's like really crunchy. Oh, there's the potatoes, and hopefully that's the microwave. Hopefully that these are cooked. So as you see, they're like this. If you pick one up, they're still flimsy. So you want to stick it in there for probably another couple minutes. And if you do that, you want to keep on like looking at it a couple minutes, like each minute. So mine's gonna be in there for 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna check on them. So yeah, these were really good. They might be oddly shaped, but don't take it by the shape. Take it by how they look, like taste. It honestly tastes like a potato chip. I ain't playing with y'all guys. Tastes like potato chip. We might as well just wipe down the counter so that there's nothing sticky and gross on it. Oopsie. Oh, I'm also eating an airhead at the same time because it's like really good. I'm drinking Kool-Aid with potato chips. Just because how they look doesn't matter. It's like really good. Listen. So crunchy. Oh, check on my potatoes. Okay, they're getting crispy. Probably need to put it in for another 30 seconds. This is really good. Oh, my airhead. Saved because it was in the package. Once it hits like 5, I'm gonna check on it. But otherwise, we should go ahead and just for cleaning up. Right now, just running away. This is what happens when you don't cook it with the parchment paper. It gets stuck to it, and you have to pry them away. I know that parchment paper could be a little bit pricey, but I do recommend you get it for this kind of DIY because, like, otherwise you're gonna be like this all day. Oh, it's ready. Not even paying attention. Let me give. Oh, was. Okay. Okay, so they're really nice and crispy looking. They're not like how they were, but they're not crispy enough for me. So I'm gonna put them in there for another 30 seconds. And I'm gonna keep an eye on them to make sure that they don't burn like that. But I need to clean up this. So alright. Now we're just gonna clean off this plate. We're ready to get off. Okay, they're ready. I'm gonna let them like sit there for a second because I have to finish this part. I can't find the sponge. Oh, hey guys, come on. Let's come with me so we can check on these. It's been in for another 30 seconds. Those look delicious. These look hot. Like really hot. They look really hot. They're really hot, but they look perfect. My nerves are like really sensitive today. Oh, that hurts. They're cooked. Yeah, I paid attention to them. I put them in for 4 minutes and they were still a little like flimsy. So I put them in there for another like 2 minutes. Okay. Then I checked on them, put another 30 seconds, put another 30 seconds. And I got perfect. Okay. So let me grab them out. I'm grabbing the parchment paper only, and I'll grab the plate once it cools down. Because the parchment paper is not so hot as the plate. So yeah, well, I don't feel how hot the plate is. It's a little hot, so I'm gonna grab with the mitten. I know this is terrible lighting, but I kind of have to grab a mitten. I don't know how to explain it. Mama, I have a question. Is this a mitten? What is this?
It's a pot holder.
Pot holder? Why did I say mitten?
Because there are oven mitts. That's the glove one, the red one I
Oh.
have.
So this type of plate is, you want to, by the way, if you're going to do this step by step, you want a microwavable safe plate. Otherwise, you don't got a plate. So this one came out way cleaner. As you can see, no like scrubbing at it or anything. It's really nice, hot, really nice, and they come out really nice. Okay, yeah. There's that one tiny piece. It wasn't like really crunchy. So that's why I was like, clean and perfect. So I can just stick it back up there. So I'm gonna finish this. And then where? Mom, where's our so we'll be trying. Alright, so I'm gonna let this soak in. I'm gonna honestly taste these first hand. So I'm gonna move to a different spot because, as you know, there's better lighting over here because of the window. My mom puts her tea just right perfectly right there. Okay, this honestly looks weird. I'm taking one. So nice and crisp inside too. Mom, you want to do this with me? Come here.
What?
Try this potato chip. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I was really confused where you were. So it's really nice and crispy. And a little salty, but otherwise, I say I did really well. If you don't like really stiff, hard type of potato chips, you can put it in there for when, you know how it was still a little flimsy. It wasn't really flimsy, but it was like crunchy. You can put it in like that. You can eat it like that. Because you can even eat a raw potato. It really won't matter. As long as it doesn't matter if you cook it or not. Now, the smell, when you burn it, it smells terrible. So don't burn it. And I think your house will smell perfectly fine. You could probably put like spice and stuff on this, and this would be really good. So this DIY was really good. Like from a 1 to 10 rating, I give it a 10. Like in star wise, 5 stars. Really good, really well. So yeah, check it in the description down below for the whole where I got it from. This DIY. And yeah. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications all these crazy videos. I can't sing because crazy video. Yeah, my voice sounds terrible right now. But love you guys. Bye.